Hello everyone, this is Suvan from Fast Facts, and today I'm going to teach you the best paper airplane I know how to make. So start with a rectangular paper, 8.5 inches times 11 inches, a standard A4 size paper, then fold it in half. So both the edges have to match perfectly because symmetry matters in this plane. Then crease it on both sides, open it up, and now fold this triangle down to meet the center crease. It has to align perfectly or this plane won't work. I call this plane Stinger because you'll see why when you finish it. Fold the other side just like you folded this side, and then crease them both. Now fold it down until this edge or this corner meets the line here perfectly. There has to be no gaps or small gaps like that. The two center creases have to align, and then we move on to the next step, which is folding this all the way down like we did for the first or second step. Fold it until it touches the center crease like this. Now, just telling you, this is just a reference point. We're not going to keep it like this. Now open it up and fold this corner into this new crease we just made like that. Do that on both sides. And then we move on to the next step, which is folding it in like this so you have this sweeping arrow kind of shape. The next step is we have this flap, so we are going to fold it directly up like this, and then we'll fold this plane in half to make the wings. As I told you earlier, symmetry matters. So you have to align the wings perfectly. And then fold down about until the wings touch the corner of this triangle, like this. Or you can fold past that if you want, but then this will be folded. And now crease both the sides. There's no need for winglets unless you want your plane to look cool. And now you have yourself a Stinger. Let's see how it is. So on the bottom it should look like this, and it's pretty much blocking these two arrow shapes, and the front is pointed, and it's mostly like a glider. So that's it for this plane. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.